In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send money to Mexico instantly within seconds, right? So you want to click the link in the description below. It will take you to Remitly's website where you're going to select sign up to create your account. Now you can also download the mobile app and create your account. The option is really up to you. So here you're going to provide your email address, your password, and confirm your password, and then select join now. That's literally all you need for now, right? I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. Once you're here, select send. And by the way guys, this can be used in the United States as well. So here you're going to enter how much you want to send. Select your delivery method. You have the option to do a bank or debit card deposit, a mobile wallet deposit, or a cash pickup. To have the money sent instantly, select bank or debit card deposit. This is the fastest option. Select, and then you're going to select your payment method. Determine how you want to pay. Here you want to select debit card or credit card for your payment, right? This will ensure you have the fastest transfer option. So even though it says 20 minutes, that's just estimated time to meet customers' expectation, but literally the money will be sent within a minute, right? So here you select continue, choose the recipient bank, and here you're going to specify the person's debit card number. The reason why I say debit card number is because the debit card number is the faster option. Now once you select debit card, you're going to select continue. However, I'm going to step back and select my existing account, which is on profile, which is a Jamaican account, to show you what the rest of the steps look like. So here I'm going to select a recipient, which is a Visa card. Just going to put in an estimated amount for you to see. Continue. I'm going to select my existing payment method, which is on file. And then this is a summary of the transaction. So if you look at the estimated promise time, it's 7:17 EST, and if you check my computer's time, it's 7:13 PM. So literally within a few minutes, once I hit send, the money will be available for me. And that's pretty much it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.